Are you wondering how to delete a workspace in Asana? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do. So if you're here, chances are you've tried deleting the workspace from the left-hand side. And if you left click, you'll notice that there is no option to delete here. Well, there's a couple of things we need to do first and foremost. So I've actually created this workspace ahead of this video just to show you the process that we need to go through. So I've called this workspace, we are deleting this workspace. So I'm in that workspace now, okay? So if I click on my settings, and then if I click on account, we can see all of the workspaces that we are a part of. Now, here's what you have to essentially do. Firstly, you need to remove individuals from the workspace itself. So at the moment, it's just me in this workspace. If you've got other teammates, then you'll need to remove them. Or if you are a teammate and somebody else owns this workspace, then they'll need to do this. They'll need to remove you first. Essentially, you need to make sure that the workspace is completely empty in order to proceed. So you first need to delete all the projects off. So to do that, open up the projects that you have. So this is the cross-functional project plan that I set up as part of this workspace creation. So I've opened that project plan up. Click on project actions, and then we want to delete the project. Okay, press delete. At this stage, if we go back to our workspace, so let me go back to the workspace itself, you'll notice there's no tasks, no projects, and no people. So it's an empty workspace. At this point, we can go back to our settings, click account, and at the bottom it will say remove me from we are deleting this workspace. And there is no, at the time of recording, there is no functionality to delete a workspace. So what we essentially need to do is remove ourselves. But what I've showed you before this step ensures that it basically just kind of goes into a void, because no one's there to pick it up. There's no projects in it. It just becomes almost worthless. There's nothing there, and there's nothing that can be kind of associated with your account. So if you click remove me from this workspace, here we go. We've got a message come up. If you remove yourself, you won't be able to access any of the projects or tasks in we are deleting this workspace. If you want to regain access, you need to ask a coworker to invite you to the workspace again. And that's why we want to remove the teammates or have them, remove you. So now we can proceed with this remove button. And you'll get this message, okay? And if you have any issues, you can contact Asana support. But hopefully this video has showed you, exactly what you need to do without having to do so. So if I click reload, it's going to reload Asana, and it says it looks like you don't have access to this. And if I go back to our settings, so our account logo, and then go on my settings, and then go on account, you will see the workspace has been removed. And you'll notice there's no way for us to navigate to that workspace from our account. So it is essentially deleted. Sure, it may exist on the Asana server somewhere, and perhaps you could even reach out to support if you really wanted them to actually delete it. But, if you're just working in the platform itself, then there's probably no need. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, please do hit the like button. That tells me I should continue recording videos like this, and do consider subscribing to my channel. If you head over to my channel, I have an entire playlist on Asana training. So if you're new to the platform or want to leverage all of its functionalities or get used to it or just learn more, then I would suggest you check that out. So with all that said, I hope you have an excellent day.